And it's a lovely day in the neighborhood. I thought I'd take a little video of this wedding chapel and jail, which I think is, you know, basically wonderful. Isn't that cool? Jail and wedding chapel. All right, now what we're really here for is we just took a wonderful ride, and we're going on to the Blue Ridge Parkway now, and this is Freeborn's, and we're starting right about here. You'll see why we are here. Look at this. Got a few bikes, got a few bikes, got a few bikes. And zoom down there, you got some more bikes. And we're actually parked down around the corner from this area. So there are a few bikes here. This here is the place to come on the weekends for bikers from miles and miles around. Freeborn's. I'm not sure if we're in North Carolina or Virginia. Like I've said before, the line varies and you never know what state you're in when you cross the line. So, thought you might enjoy this. Freeborn's. Let's just take a walk down here. We got a Harley, 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 we got a Harley. Harley's right. Out here we got ourselves a Harley. We got a Harley. We got themselves a Harley, another Harley. We have a Harley and a Harley and a Harley Ferguson and a Harley and a Harley and a Harley. And way over there we got some more Harleys. And down here behind these trucks, we got our three little bikes. Three little bikes. We got three Harleys and a trumpet. And hopefully it's still there behind that. There it is, sticking out. I didn't pick the spot. Greg did. Put us off. There we go. All right, heading back. A few more Harleys. Harley country, Freeborn's. Eatery. Absolutely. Only open 3 days a week on the weekends. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Because that's when the bikers are out. Other than that, there ain't a whole lot going on here. Well, my nephew, or great nephew, or grandnephew arrived. This is his trailer. A chip off the old dad's block. Look at this. He's got 1, 2, 3 full dress Harley Davidsons in here. Isn't that something? And just as neat as his dad's. All the stuff. Isn't this something? You'd swear you're in the same trailer I was in before. Look at this. Is this a chip off the dad block? Here we got C Evo H No Shine. This is my brother's bike. It's a matte black. Look at that white one right there. Ain't that pretty? Oh, boys and toys. Oh my goodness. Isn't it something? Whole photograph wall. Whole wall full of photographs. And if you look right there, left side, below the big one, is a smaller version. And I'm in that one with my little Triumph. Here's my brother Kim. He just arrived. And he's got... Hey, Kim. What year is your bike? 96?
94.
94.
Very first year of the Road King.
94, very first year.
First one delivered at East Coast Harley.
Is that right?
Yep.
First year of the Road King, first one delivered to his dealer in 1994.
Over 300,000 miles on it.
1994. 300,000 miles.
Over 300.
Over 300,000.
Probably about 325.
Isn't that something? Still going down the road. Sounding good too. You'll hear it. All right. I think everybody has arisen. Look at the size of that truck. I love that truck. Boys and toys, boys and toys.
They get down. They really are bad.
Off the trailer and into parking.